Good morning, parents. I am Kennard Tay, a Year 3 student doing a diploma in aerospace electronics. I graduated from Nanhua High back in 2018 and enrolled in SP via the joint admissions exercise. From young, I have had an interest in planes, and since aerospace electronics is all about the electrical systems on an aircraft, I found it interesting. I had also heard from my seniors, friends, and family that SP is well known for their engineering courses and having good facilities. Hence, I decided to enroll in SP's Diploma in Aerospace Electronics. Today, I'll be sharing a little about my experiences as a EEE student. My lessons were conducted in the self-directed learning format. This means that I have to study the topic at home before going for my tutorial classes. Personally, I prefer this format as I find it more effective. The lesson materials are bite-sized and are easily accessible via our learning portal. Additionally, I am able to go through my lessons at my own pace, allowing me to skip through the things I know or rewind and rewatch the parts I don't understand. I am also able to clarify any doubts I have with my lecturer during the tutorial classes. Another perk is that if I am tired, I can just pause and go rest. This enables me to stay fully focused when studying, which is difficult to do so in a real-time lecture. However, this method of learning requires discipline, as the lecturers expect the students to have gone through the lesson materials beforehand. Personally, I like this style of teaching as it inculcates me as a self-directed and lifelong learner. For technical modules, I also had weekly labs to enhance my understanding of the theory through hands-on experiences. One of the more interesting labs would be doing circuit simulation on a software and then implementing it on a breadboard in a future lab session. Another interesting lab was doing something called wire locking, which was done on a real aircraft fuselage skin. This was in a module called Aircraft Maintenance Practices, and in this particular module, we frequently worked on real segments of fuselage taken out from old planes. On top of regular lab sessions, we were also given projects to do. This allows us to put the CDIO framework, conceive, design, implement, operate, into use. Some of the projects I have done include a prototype automatic runway and aircraft lighting system, and a prototype automatic shop gantry. All in all, I really enjoy how what I learned in theory goes hand in hand with the hands-on sessions. Personally, with all these lab sessions, I was able to understand the theory further and how systems work better. Studying hard in year 1 paid off as I managed to receive the SP Engineering Scholarship. Having the scholarship meant that my studies in SP are fully paid for. It also opened up many more opportunities for me, one of which was me being invited to apply for the A-Star Science Award, which I later received. Having this A-Star Science Award means that I get to do an attachment with A-Star, and right now, I am actually completing my internship at the Advanced Remanufacturing and Technology Center under A-Star. Other than the A-Star Science Award, being a scholar meant that I was invited to participate in competitions, one of which would be the International Standards Olympiad 2020. From the competition, I learned about writing specification standards, something which is beyond my curriculum. The competition was held online over Zoom due to COVID-19 instead of in Korea, and in the end, it went well as my team managed to clinch the gold award. Since year 1, I also had the opportunity to be part of the EEE Student Ambassadors, and recently, in year 3, I had the opportunity to step up and become the Vice President of the EEE Student Ambassadors. As a student ambassador, I help out for events such as Freshman Orientation Program, Alumni Bonding Night, annual awards, etc. And now, as a student leader, I am part of the planning committees. I was also given the honor of being appointed the co-president of the Institute of Engineers Singapore, Singapore Polytechnic Student Chapter. Although it may sometimes be tough to balance schoolwork and the extracurricular activities, it is possible with good time management. Additionally, it is fun and meaningful to be able to be part of such committees and have the experience of planning and leading events, and thereafter, the satisfaction when it is successful. After close to 3 years in SP and in EEE, I have no regrets choosing to join SP. I have definitely learned a lot relating to engineering, such as the CDIO framework, through the multiple hands-on approach to try things out for ourselves and learn. I was also able to grow and develop myself further as a leader through the many leadership opportunities. I have also made many new friends from my class and through the different activities I participated in. If your child has an idea of what they are really passionate about, do guide them to consider choosing SP and EEE as their next institute of higher learning. Thank you.